Hey everyone, if AnyDesk is showing an unexpected error, crashing randomly, or refusing to work properly, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help resolve the problem and get AnyDesk working again. First, close AnyDesk completely and restart your computer or phone. Temporary software glitches are often responsible for unexpected errors. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, network interruptions can sometimes trigger unexpected errors. Try launching AnyDesk with administrator privileges. I mean, missing permissions can prevent the app from functioning correctly. Some antivirus programs or firewalls may interfere with AnyDesk. So, temporarily disabling them can help identify the cause. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, turn it off temporarily. Certain network routes can create communication problems. Make sure your device isn't overloaded. Yeah, high CPU or memory usage can sometimes cause unexpected application errors. Make sure you're using the latest version of AnyDesk. Updates often contain bug fixes and stability improvements. Keeping your operating system updated can also help. I mean, missing system updates may lead to compatibility issues. If the error continues, uninstall and reinstall AnyDesk completely. So a clean installation can repair corrupted files and settings. Sometimes the problem may be caused by temporary server outages. Yeah, waiting a while and trying again later can help. If nothing works, contact AnyDesk support for additional assistance. They may be able to identify deeper software or account-related issues. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the AnyDesk unexpected error problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.